the relation R in n by n such that a comma b is related to c comma d if and only if a plus d is equal to b plus c. So here given a relation R is equal to the ordered pairs a comma b comma c comma d. This is one such ordered pair such that a plus d is equal to b plus c, where a comma b belongs to n by n and c comma d also belongs to n by n. Okay, now we need to check whether this relation is reflexive or not. The first one, reflexive, let us check. Let us consider one ordered pair a comma b belongs to n cross a for every, so which implies a cross b, a comma b is related to a comma b or not if and only if a plus b is equal to b plus a. We know that a plus b is equal to b plus c if and only if it is true for every ordered pair, right? So this is true for all, and hence we can say that this is possible, and hence this is reflexive. And coming to the symmetric case, let a comma b is related to c comma d, let us assume, so which implies that a plus d is equal to b plus c. Now we need to prove that c comma d is related to a comma b. That means we need to prove that c plus b is equal to d plus a, right? And now this part can also be written c d plus c is equal to a plus d. A plus d is equal to b plus c can also be written b plus c is equal to a plus d, or this can also be written as c plus b is equal to d plus c, because in natural number they are commutative. C plus b is equal to d plus c we can write, right? And hence we can say this is symmetric. So this is satisfying. And coming to the third, transitive. So for transitive case, let assume that a comma b is related to c comma d and c comma d is related to e comma f. So when a comma b is related to c comma d, we can write a plus b is equal to b plus c, and when c comma d is related to e comma f, it is that c plus f is equal to d plus c. Now which implies that by adding this both, so we can get a plus b plus c plus f is equal to b plus c plus d plus c, and hence by cancelling here c d get cancelled, so that we can write a plus f is equal to b plus c, is it? So which implies that a plus f is equal to b plus c means a comma b is related to e comma f. So when a comma b is related to c comma d and c comma d is related to e comma f, then automatically you got it, a comma b is related to e comma f, and hence we can say this is also transitive, and hence we can say this relation is an equivalence relation. So among the four options we